Hey guys and girls, welcome to another episode of Astral Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? Alright, check it out. We got a 2006 GMC Envoy XL Denali. Customer's complaint. Here's a lot of noise coming from the engine. So we're going to check it out. Got the keys. Let's go see what we got. We'll be right back. Alright, here we go. It's got the 5.3 engine. And I'm going to have somebody start the car up and we're going to listen to see what we got. Yep. Got a misfire and I heard that loud. Shut it off. All right, I want you to start it up again. See. All right, go ahead again. All right, shut it off. Alright guys, you know what we're going to do? I'm going to get a piece of cardboard and we're going to go up underneath and try to hear it and see if we can hear that noise more pronounced at the oil pan. Be right back. Alright, here we go. We're going to get up underneath here the best way we can. And where's our oil pan? There it is.
Because if he put it in gear, that's my honest word. You know that noise you just heard?
Uh-huh.
You're going to hear it real good.
Okay, y'all guys heard what the customer said. When we put it in gear, it's even more.
You're going to hear that noise real good. It's going to sound like something clank, 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 clank. But you won't hear it until you actually put it in gear.
Thanks for telling me that. Alright, start it up. Oh yeah, that was something else. Alright, let's see what the customer's talking about. Alright, put it in gear. Turn the wheel all the way to the left. Wanted to make sure that wasn't like a catalytic converter loose or anything loose. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna get a jack. I'm gonna jack this up so we can get a better sound to that. Be right back. All right, we got the car jacked up. Got it up on jack stands. All right, start it up. All right, put it in gear. You know what, guys? Why that sounds like it's coming from right here. I'm gonna pull this inspection. Oh yeah. I think it has something to do down here. Get us a light or something. Dang it, got no light. Shut it off. That sounds like here. That sounds like in there. That sounds, you know what? That sounds like the flywheel or the converter. Yeah, that's what I was saying. I'm back here. It's right here at the converter, but need a light. All right guys, be right back. Let me get a light. All right, here we go guys. Let's see. Now remember, the customer took it to how many places you took it to?
About 10 different places.
And everybody told him he needed a motor. Well, that noise sounds like it's coming from here somewhere. Let's look around here. Flywheel looks intact. Why do I see like a little gap right between the converter and the flywheel? Let's try something here. There it is. Flywheel bolts are loose. Flywheel bolts are loose. Alright, we'll be right back. Alright, we're gonna get back up under here. Change the battery. And what I want to do here is see if I can get this light on. Alright, now if you guys can see that. Dang it, you know what? If there was something else you can lay on. I need a screwdriver to try to move this to show you what's going on here. Another thing is you can actually see it. See if I can get a better look on that. Right there, that thing is separated.
Flat single or full size?
Flat?
Yeah.
You got it?
Full size or medium?
The full one, the big one. Thank you. All right, let's see if I can hold this light up here at the same time. And okay, let's see if we can see. Okay, let's see if we can see that. See that guys play? See the play right there? That's the noise we're hearing. Alright, we'll be right back. Yeah, I gotta adjust these earmuffs. Dang it. Alright, check it out. There you have it. Diagnosis. This guy took it to 10 places. At least 10 places. In Rocky Mount, I think that's all we got is about 10 places. But pretty much everybody told me he needs an engine because that's improper diagnosing. They just listen to it and it does sound like a rod knock. I'm not gonna lie, it did sound like a rod knock. But going into it further, just like I told you guys, check out our new game, Observation. Visual inspection is 90% of the solution. And as you can see, it came out to be the bolts for the flywheel going into the converter. So we can get some prices, see what's going on with that, get that taken care of. All right, any kind of questions, put them in the comment section below, or you can email me at tim@astralautorepairs.com. And as you know it, if we can't repair it, nobody can. Take it easy.